Good evening, my YouTube subscribers. Yeah, you see something a little bit different in my hands today. We're going to be picking up the acoustic bass. And I've had a big hit on Nutshell. I get a lot of people asking questions. And there's a lot of people, actually, not just with my videos, but with other ones I've seen online. People want to know how to play it on bass. I couldn't find a tutorial, so I thought I would just do a quick one, see if we can get it done in under 3 minutes. So, if you are familiar with the song on guitar, we're just going to start. We're going to start on the 5th fret, and we're going to do a slide. Then slide back to the 3rd, back to the 5th. And then I use my index finger on the 5th, slide down to the 7th, and then back to the 5th again. Simple as that. Whoopsie. And then this one, you go your 2nd string on the 3rd fret. To open up on top there. Then it goes back to this. And then we're going to go on the very bottom string on the 4th fret, the G string, we're going to start on the 5th fret, and we're going to pull off to the 4th. Like that. With your index finger back on the 5th fret. Do it like this, and then your index finger is going to end up on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. So do that slowly. Open, so you end up with the open string again. Do it one more time. 5th fret on the 2nd string does that thumb, and then open. Perfect, just like that. Okay, so we're then back to this. Then he's going to slide it down from the 5th fret down to the 12th, alright? And kind of like the way we do it up here. We're going to do that on the 12th fret, but 12th to the 11th. So just look at my fingers. Whoops, I screwed it up. That's it for a nutshell. If you guys practice all that stuff, play along with the music and those differences, you will get it. That's under 3 minutes. So I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.